Hi, my kid is crying because their favorite Bitzee digital pet is broken. The buttons aren't working and the touch is unresponsive. Does anyone know how to fix this problem? I don't want to throw it away, especially since it cost a lot of my child's hard-earned savings. In this video I am disassembling the Bitzee unit to find out what's wrong. If you are watching this and know the solution to repair this toy, please leave a comment below. For now, let's look inside and see where the problem is hidden.